Alright, what's up guys? Crash Card Gamers here, coming at you with another video. I have some blister packs over here, and then I've got some stuff from locals yesterday where I ended up getting third. So we'll go ahead and pop that open, and then some stuff from a previous pack. So let's go ahead and check that out. Let's see what we can get. So we'll start off with our booster packs over here. Of the OPO5. Let's see what we got. We got Maynard, Sangoro, Steri, Queen, Pirio, Barrels, Birdcage, Flamingo, Nico, Sakazuki, Mancherry, and Ohm. We got Toto, Queen, John Giant, Nola, Jinbei, Hino Birdsat, Baby 5, Fratnosuke, we got Chaka, Upper Yard, we got 200, and then we have the Ulti Super Rare. Alright, Toto, John Giant, Buffalo, Akuba, Jinbei, Dragon Claw, Pell, Upper Yard, Uso Inazuma. We got Fire Fist and a Koala super rare. All right, quite a bit of super rares already in these Lucy's over here. All right, we got Toto, Gladius, Dalmatian, Mr. 1, Hino Birdzap, It's a Waste of Human Life, Onami, 4000, we got Luffy, Isho, Satori, and the alternate art Don. Okay. Wow, pretty good pack so far. All right. Maynard, Choppa, Holly, Kuma, Riku, Imperio, X-Barrels, Stick, we got Onami and Nell, Zoro, and a Bello Betty for that Revolutionary Army deck. Alright, Orobi, we got Stainless, Maynard, Holly, Spacey, Hack, Charleston, Hawkins, Double Finger, Punk Rotten, When You're at Sea, and another Bello Betty. All right, Honkichi, Queen, John Giant, St. Charlos, Gamma Knife, Imperio, Riku, Monkey D. Garp, Amazon, Doflamingo, Virgo, wow, big hitter, alternate art, Kaido. Very nice. Let me just grab a quick sleeve from that, but they pulled the alternate art secret rare, Kaido. Very nice artwork. Go ahead and check that out, guys. Big hitter already, very nice. I'll take that. All right, so now we're gonna start over on this side of our Lucy's, see if we can top that last one. That was pretty good. Let's see what we can get. We got Honkichi, we got Stainless, Holly, Steri, Rosword, Imperio, we got Pell, Bastille, Tori, Monet, Isho, and 200 million volts. Nothing crazy in that one. I'll open up the next one. Let me see, what do we got? All right, so we got Kuma, Buffalo, Mozambia, Mary Joie, Yama, Jinbei, Law, One-Legged Toy Soldier. We got the Sabo, Fire Fist, Ashra, and another alternate art Don. Very nice. All right. Charlos, Sangoro, Bunny Joe, Gladius, Mr. One, Human Life, X Barrels, Hino Birdzap, Nico Robin, Punk Rotten, Patchwork, and a Morley. Chapamon, Mozambia, Captain McKinley, Say Mosgard, Mary Joie, Birdcage, Yama, Inazuma, Hatcha, Katori, because the side, ooh, okay, alternate art Pika. Take that for sure. Check it out, guys. One of the Don Quixote pirates. End of your turn, rest one, set this character as active. And then once per turn, if this character would be KO'd, you may rest up to one of your characters with a cost of 3 or more, other than Pika instead. 4-drop, 6,000 power. Very nice. Alright, next one, we got Sangoro, Doflamingo, Nola, Kuma, Bellamy, Dragonclaw, Rosword, Toy Soldier, Castile, L4, Zorro, and Rob Lucci. Very nice. Alright, Bunny Joe, Gaia, Sarkis, Holly, Mr. One, it's a waste, Rosword, Basil Hawkins, Stick, Isabello, Mancherry, and Satori. Alright, and this one, Bunny Joe, Orobi, St. Mosgard, Doflamingo, Charleston, Bellamy, Mr. One, Lettuce, Imperio, Baby 5, and Shirahoshi. We got Toto, Queen, John Giant, Nola, Birdcage, Lieutenant Spacey, Baby 5, Revolutionary Army, Monkey D. Garp, Monet, Hina, and a Sabo. Nice, pulling quite a bit of these super rares from these blister packs. We got Sarkis, Buffalo, Dalmatian, Pagaya, Gamma Knife, Dragon Claw, Hack, this Double Finger, I bid 500 million, Chaka, Beppo, and a Nanel. Very nice. All right. Last pack for these blisters that I picked up. So we got Maynard, Sterry, Captain McKinley, Honkichi, Gamma Knife, Basil Hawkins, Charleston, Conus, Hatcha, Upper Yard, Beppo, and another Rob Lucci. Okay, very nice. Let's open up the 3 booster packs over here. Let's see what we can get. Sarkis, Nola, Maynard, Sangoro, Mr. One, Hino Birdzap, Mary Joie, Violence, Imperio, Sakazuki Lead, Satori, and Zoro Juro. John Giant, Nola, Bunny Joe, Orobi, Mr. One, Waste of Human Life, St. Rosward, Onami, Toy Soldier, Imperio, Patchwork, and a Borsalino. Quite a bit of super rares. All right. Last pack for this one of the OPO5. We got McKinley, St. Mosgard, Bunny Joe, Pagaya, Heck, Charleston, Basil Hawkins, Viola, Elizabello, Sabo Leader, X-Drake, and 200 million volts. All right, so we'll start off over here with our Kingdoms of Intrigue Dash pack. We get 1 card per pack, and we pulled the Buggy. This character cannot be KO'd by / attribute cards. All right, let's get the Sealed Battle Kit Volume 1. See what we can pull from this one. All right, looks like we pulled Blue Luffy. So 5,000, 5 life, Don ×1. When attacking, draw 1 card if you have 3 or less cards in your hand. And Vanami. So 1 cost, 1,000 power, 2,000 counter. On play, if you have 3 or less cards in your hand, return up to one of your opponent's characters with a cost of 3 or less to the owner's hand. Not bad. And then we've got Kingdoms of Intrigue pre-release pack here as well. We got the Banana Gator pre-release and the Don Quixote family pre-release card. All right, pretty good, I'll take that. All right, guys, that's all I got for you for today. We pulled some pretty good cards, especially with our alternate art Pika and the alternate art secret rare Kaido. So pretty good. All right, catch you guys in the next one.